Hello everyone, welcome to Smiley Service. This is a review customer number 324, and this is Macbook Air, I believe it's 2015. Yeah, so the problems was the laptop was that it's not able to turn on due to the main power area on the main board is short to ground, and after investigation we found there's a bad capacitor, so we replaced the new one just right here, this one, and now it should be turned on because there's no short to ground anymore. So let's power on, see if we fix it or not. Okay, maybe, yeah, there we go. I already tested the machine for a while and now it's running normal. So I'll let you know if you have the Macbook or notebook, no matter what the mainboard is dead or not, we can fix it. As for you, just need your time to leave it to us. So feel free to contact us at the Smiley Service for the assistance, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.